Now let's write code for the ReviewDAO class that provides all the database-related functionalities for managing reviews in our project. And this is a class diagram for the ReviewDAO class. You see the ReviewDAO class here, and it extends the JPA DAO class and implements the interface generic DAO. And this is a review class, which is a domain model class. It represents a review made by a customer. And we use JUnit for testing, so we need to create the ReviewDAO test class here. Now let's write code to implement the basic functions: create, update, get, delete, list all, and count. Go back to Eclipse IDE, and under the package com.bookstore.entity, you can see the domain model class review generated by Hibernate reverse engineering tool here. You see, these are the fields of a review ID, book,